So this one is, I'm going to prepare a salmon dish with brown sugar glazing. Bulgarian yogurt, it will be delicious. Some soya, lemon juice, brown sugar, olive oil, really quick, really tasty. Some lemon juice. Some olive oil. Soya sauce. We can chop it very thinly.
Kitchen foil has got a very shiny side and a matte side. And this is because of the heat. Now, if you put the food on the side of the shiny side, it's going to cook quicker and faster. If you want to grab something and keep it in the fridge or in the freezer, we should have the food inside. Have the food on the side. Heat will be reflected, and this is cool.
I'll add some sugar.
I'm going to put some fennel here. Fennel is going to give a lot of nice flavor. The edges. Now I'm cutting off, the white of the lemon because it's going to give a very bitter aftertaste to the food. This is very warm. We got here some chicken with saffron, fennel and garlic and some lemongrass for decoration and a little bit of chutney. And we got here a very nice salad, very healthy with avocado, feta, beetroot, spinach and kale.
Okay, so my dish is much simpler than his. I hope it is as delicious as his is, if not more. We've got some salmon, baked salmon, and a side dish of quinoa and fruit. Hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
It looks delicious.
Very good.